Hi there. Now, I want to thank you so much for reaching this far to the module. This is going to be the last video, so no lessons included. But I do have a vote of thanks for reaching here and also an update on the headlight restoration process. Now, over the course of the recording of this course, there's some things we've included, and I would like to give you updates on those. So, number one, we've integrated an adhesion promoter for the headlight restoration process. So this addresses one problem that we used to have before. After the headlights have been fully restored, uh, the the clear coat would last for about 2 to 3 years, depending on how the car is maintained, and then it would start peeling off, and then the process would have to be redone again. That was the main issue that I felt that I could deal with, but I did not put enough effort into it. One, because I had tried it before, and the adhesion promoter was given affected the results of the headlight. So the quality of the adhesion promoter uh, made the headlights not become as clear as new, and also gave the headlights a lot of orange peel. So I subtracted it and said it would be better if I stayed without the adhesion promoter, just continued the process as it is, because it gives the client around a 2 year service life. Now, I've still been researching on that, and the solution came from I took time to look for automotive paint suppliers in my country, specifically Nairobi, and I found them. And luckily enough, I was able to find an addition promoter with the qualities that I was looking for. First of all, their addition promoter was quite clear, crystal clear like water. And then secondly, the performance of it was very good on the ground because it cures very quickly. So it doesn't interfere a lot with the headlight restoration process. Now, I happen to have it here. I picked it up from my toolbox, and this is it. So it's 3B. This is Chinese branding company from Chinese. They are all imported. So it says plastic primer, but this is a sticker on top, as you can see. It's not part of the packaging. But the good thing about it is it's an adhesion promoter for the headlight on the lens. So what happens is I use the backup gun. Like I told you before, I have two spray guns. So the backup gun is now what's used to spray the adhesion promoter. So what we do, we apply a small amount, spray a nice one. I spray one heavy coat of the promoter, but not too heavy to affect the sealant or the clear coat that we're going to apply. The good thing about it is once you spray it, it cures very fast. And once it's fully cured, you go and restore and spray the clear coat on it. As far as the anything else to be said as far as the adhesion promoter is concerned, yeah, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to cure and be dry to the touch. So it's quite good. And it's clear and it doesn't affect the headlight restoration process. So I'm very happy about that. I'm very proud that we've reached that stage. Now that's as far as the adhesion promoter is concerned. What does it add to the process? The good thing is that you will get a service life. I'm not sure. I'll have to test it because I've just begun it right now, but it should be way longer, almost twice the amount of years. So I'd expect 3 to 4 years now from the headlight restoration process. So I'm very happy about that. I'm proud of it, and it's a great milestone for the business. I was ecstatic about it when we first did it, but now I'm used to it and I'm happy about it. Now that's as far as the technique is concerned. The important thing here to check is that you have different guns for the additional promoter and the clear coat. The clear coat you continue mixing as I showed you, or to the best way that you see it fit for your area. So as far as the adhesion promoter is concerned, or the plastic primer, what you do is just pour directly into the gun a small amount. There's no need for reducing it because it doesn't respond well to standard thinner. It will block the spray gun. So you don't want to add standard thinner on it. So you want to use it as it is. You spray one coat. You can even spray 2 light coats as long as the coat is not heavy so as to give orange peel. Then once that is done, you continue with the process as usual as we had already discussed. And now that that's clear, let's move on to the next thing. Because of the course, I have now created a WhatsApp. So the WhatsApp group is called Headlight Restoration Professionals. You can contact me on WhatsApp to add you to the group as soon as you are on the course, so that we can be able to discuss and keep up with the updates, and also contact with each other and share our experiences in the headlight restoration process. I thought it was necessary, so I created the group today. Actually, as I'm recording this, it's already been created. Now, any professional who seeks advice or wants to chat with other professionals can go to the WhatsApp group and we can get in touch there. We can share our ideas and see what's coming up, what's new, and also discuss other things that are happening in the headlight restoration business. So I'm also very happy about that achievement. Now, the last bit here is to give a vote of thanks for anyone who's participated in this process, anyone who's going to adopt these measures into their business, and anyone who's supporting me by buying the course. I am grateful. I'm not too religious, but I would say that God should bless you and have you make a success out of this. I hope it's quite clear how you can be able to adopt it into your business, because this course I prefer it to be for people who want to adopt this into their business because they have enough resources and they're committed well enough to already do it, rather than people who want to start out. That's just my preference. But if you're starting out as well, I would also like to thank you a lot for supporting me and also contributing to my well-being and your well-being in return. So I know most of you guys are going to be more successful than I've been in this market, simply because of the market. If it's richer, you simply make more. I've seen that a couple of guys that are already making a lot more than I am from from wherever they are in their locations. And I'm just in Kenya and I'm going to continue to do this for as long as I can. And I can't thank you enough. And thank you for you taking your time to listen to a random guy in the middle of Africa, just just sharing his experiences and trying to make a living. So I can't thank you enough. I guess we can be updated and keep in touch on WhatsApp. And yeah, feel free to visit their website. I'll be updating it with all the latest content. And also with the course, if anything is going to be improved, I can update it on the WhatsApp group, and I will later add it onto the course, so you won't miss out on anything. So thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.